Hi, I'm back, and we're gonna go over the Great Oak Fight song. So we're gonna start with the chant section, and it goes G-O-H-S, and at the first G, we're gonna already be in playing position, and when that G hits, you're gonna snap down, and at the end, when we say pack, you're gonna snap back up. Now let's try that with the metronome. 5, 6, 7, 8, G. O. H-S. G-O-H-S, go wolf pack. Something like that. And let's start the song from the beginning. And there is normally a roll off, but for the purposes of this video, we're going to start in playing position. 5, 6. G O H S G-O-H-S, go wolf.